Good morning, everyone. This is Rohan. Uh, so today I would like to discuss some key aspects regarding the modern technology in context of electronic systems and firmware. Uh, uh, as we all know, we are surrounded by a lot of electronic stuff nowadays, right? From IoT to automation and whatnot, all electronic stuffs. So first of all, let's talk about since it's a very compact and small device, we know it's not a supercomputer or something else. So of course, it has its own limitations. The key aspect of, or I would say, the key challenge in this IoT devices, small form factor device, is the memory. It has a lot of less space and a lot of work has to be done to make sure that the device, or I would say the software, runs very smoothly. Uh, uh, Depending upon the, by considering the fact that it has a very limited memory. So that is the first factor. Second is the data which is generated, or I would say collected by the device, needs to be transmitted through some kind of a medium. It could be wired, it could be wireless. So the data needs to be go streamless over any medium. So that is one which actually plays a very big role, because it's all about data. If we get it, we can infer it more precisely. Now, since it's a data, we need to send it. So all of these devices, specifically all the one which you could see here, uh, after a while, uh, is using a Bluetooth. It's precisely Bluetooth low energy. So why BLE? Because it's a trade-off between the power and the data throughput. It pays. It is in between, which can give us enough data rate, considering the fact it doesn't require a lot of power. So that is the reason we usually use Bluetooth low energy in data transmission. The next part is the biggest that's the biggest game changer is the data which is collected. The sensor should give us a accurate data. So a lot of work happens to make sure that it's well calibrated. Lot of timing parameters are there, so that the data which we collect should be as accurate as possible. That is the one. So how to make it more accurate? There are a lot of calibration tests happen, so that all the sensors are well calibrated and it is up to the mark. They are all compared with the industrial standard equipments, so that uh, whatever the health vitals we get shouldn't gives false reading. The next biggest, the one of the most crucial part is the fail-safe operation. If the device fails on the field, the device should come to know that it is getting malfunction. It is going to fail. So regarding that, also a lot of electronic stuff from hardware to software is incorporated, so that the device comes to know that I am gone. It is something throwing bad value, and it's better to inform the user and just shut it down. So it is one of the most important parameter. The next part is the which is whatever data which we get, can it be processed on the device itself? Can something can be done so that whatever data it is collected can be processed in the device, so that the latency or the time it requires to give that output on the mobile phone or to the user can be reduced. So that is basically on-chip processing. So that is the factor is also incorporated, so that the response time or the of the device should be as low as possible. And the next part is to achieve all of this. Operating system is the one which also plays either if it is a very low power, then very standalone, very small OSs are being installed on it, or a device can also be work without the OS. So if there is an OS, then definitely it plays a very important role. It helps the whole ecosystem to become more robust. So all of these parameters we usually take care in making the device. Thank you.